Welcome! In this lesson, we're going to introduce matrices. A matrix, spelled matrix, is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions that are arranged in rows and columns. Usually, we write a matrix inside square brackets. For instance, let's look at an example of a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. In this matrix, we have 2 horizontal lines called rows and 3 vertical lines called columns. Let's highlight the 2 rows. Now, let's highlight the 3 columns. Each small piece you see inside the matrix is called an entry or an element. The entry A sub ij is an entry found in the ith row and jth column. For example, a sub 2-3 is the entry found in the 2nd row and 3rd column. The matrix shown has 2 rows and 3 columns. We say its dimensions are 2 by 3. Mathematicians will usually write the dimension as m times n, where m stands for rows and n stands for columns. Here, m equals 2 and n equals 3. As a formula, that looks like m equals 2, n equals 3. Matrices are a fundamental concept in mathematics, science, engineering, and even computer science. They help us organize data, keep track of information in tables, or for advanced uses like representing geometric transformations. For example, you might use a matrix to record scores, temperatures, network connections, or more abstract things like a Rubik's Cube or chessboard. And in higher math, matrices are also used to solve systems of equations and to represent things like stretching or rotating shapes. To sum up, a matrix is simply an organized rectangular grid of entries written in brackets. Every entry has a row and column location. Matrices appear everywhere in math, science, engineering, and computer science. Get comfortable working with them, since you'll see them again and again.